the controversial ending to Armageddon 1 week ago, we begin a new era in the World Wrestling Federation. Welcome, everyone, to Metal.
The following tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, at a combined weight of allegedly over 800 pounds, Hardcore and Crash, the Hollies.
And once again, we welcome you to Metal. Of course, Tom, it was 1 week ago at Armageddon that the entire complexion of the World Wrestling Federation changed.
Well, Kevin, Vince McMahon was heartbroken last Sunday at Armageddon, and I've got to wonder what he's going to do about that. We've got a new European champion and a lot more on Metal.
What an hour this is going to be. The Hollies kick it off in tag team action. A little later on, Kurt Angle makes his Metal debut as well.
At a combined weight of 492 pounds, Moss and Pressure. Headbangers!
Headbangers look like they're ready for a face-off, Tom.
Well, I'd rather see him in those hockey jerseys than what they have on underneath.
Oh, come on.
Why?
Hey, a little fishnet could go a long way.
Well, you should know if anybody does.
Easy, pal.
Come on.
What an hour we have in store for you here this week. And what a week it's been for Vince McMahon. The tragedy, the pain, the anguish that man suffered 1 week ago, followed by the heartbreak and the reality that set in the following night on Raw. We've got to talk all about this new era, headed up by his daughter, Stephanie McMahon Helmsley, and her husband, Triple H.
Guys, the hockey jerseys, well, that was a cheap pop. But apparently, when you were all born, you had an identity crisis because of the way you're dressed. Or maybe it's because they're ashamed of the way they look and they're hiding their fat, out-of-shape bodies, because if they get their lazy in the gym like I do, maybe they'd have a body like me.
He's got a point. You got to get up pretty early in the morning to outwork Hardcore Holly.
Well, Hardcore, if you got a problem with the way we're dressed, then you obviously have a problem yourself and a problem with us. So therefore, we're just going to have to kick your
Well, not exactly members of the high school debate team were the Headbangers.
Well, it doesn't matter. Our Hardcore Holly's the one who threw out the first shots, and I've never known the Headbangers to back up from anybody.
The Hollies were victorious a week ago at Armageddon, winning in a tag team scenario over Rikishi Fatu and Viscera. Actually, Viscera assisted in that a lot.
Whoa!
Oh, man, nice power slam out of the corner.
Not to mention a new European champion as well. Val Venus came out of that triple threat match with the Bulldog and D'Lo Brown to become the European champion, who is also here on Metal in his first title defense.
Matter of fact, Tom, last Sunday at Armageddon, 3 new champions were crowned. In addition to Val Venus, Y2J, Chris Jericho, defeated China in a hard-fought, incredible battle to become the Intercontinental Champion, and Miss Kitty became the Women's Champion as well. Launched in the legs, flapjack style, goes Hardcore Holly.
Boy, what a new respect was gained by China and Jericho in that match. I got to believe that both of them put their heart out in that one.
And I have a lot of respect for China for extending the hand and congratulating Chris Jericho. True sportsmanship at the completion of that contest at Armageddon.
Wow.
Snapping arm drag. Crash Holly goes flat to the canvas. What is with Thrasher's face?
I'm not so sure he knows about sportsmanship, but he's learned a few new tricks about makeup.
A little later on here in the hour, we mentioned Olympic gold medalist Kurt Angle will make his medal debut. Plus, we'll also see D'Lo Brown take on Angle's opponent from Armageddon, Steve Blackman. It was a very emotional night last Sunday at Armageddon, Tom, and I know that when all was said and done, Vince McMahon was looking up at his daughter, Stephanie McMahon Helmsley, embracing her husband, Triple H.
His only daughter, his little girl that he's raised, marrying the man that he hates the most, Triple H.
Nice tag teaming over there by the Hollies. Off the tag, cover, just gets a 2 count. And I know Vince McMahon paid a heavy physical price. It was a true battle, a war, no holds barred with Triple H. But it was the last thing that Vince McMahon ever expected, to have his daughter Stephanie be the one that hurts him the most.
I think it was the last thing anybody expected, especially the superstars here in the World Wrestling Federation. Vince McMahon was heartbroken. Armageddon was something that shocked the entire world.
And now the Hollies are really pressing the double team advantage here. A couple of quick tags, some good 2-on-1 maneuvers. Thrasher's in some trouble, gets 2 hands in the ropes, and averts that 3 count.
Smart move, Thrasher.
Then, of course, we get to Raw the following night, And Vince McMahon wanted answers and really wanted to do some physical damage to Triple H. And it was Shane, Tom, that provided the cooler head.
Well, that's scary in itself, because Shane McMahon was just thrown off that stage about a week before that. I mean,
Well,
obviously,
Shane's a notorious hothead as well.
yeah. So for him to be able to keep Vince sane, I mean, what's going on here?
What a beautiful drop kick by Hardcore Holly. Tom, I am of the opinion that Hardcore Holly throws the best drop kick in the World Wrestling Federation.
And I'm of the opinion that there hasn't been a more popular women's champion than Miss Kitty.
You better watch it.
Why?
That's the cat.
Oh, yeah.
Lillian Garcia found that out the hard way last Monday on Raw in a scenario that I think Bill Cosby was probably very fond of in a strange sort of way.
Wow.
Crash Holly now charges in and a step slow right into the boot of Thrasher. And now a double clothesline finds both men down. Mosh extending the arm from the corner to Thrasher's left, desperate to get into this contest.
I think Thrasher got the better of that one. Hardcore doesn't look like he's too anxious to get in the ring.
We'll see what happens now. This tag team match really hangs in the balance. Here we go. Tag is made. Mosh is in. Hardcore Holly's in. Both Hollies go down. Mosh, nice going here off the tag. Look at this.
Boom! Wow. Face first for Crash.
Mosh, a one-man wrecking crew right now, sends Hardcore Holly across and launches them high with a backdrop. Let's see if the headbangers can put together some two-on-one here, Tom.
Looks like a stage dive coming.
The stage dive will lead the headbang. Wait a minute. Crash Holly.
Nice save, Crash.
Oh, man. And now, shot to the midsection. Watch out here, Hardcore Holly. Oh, straight down. That should do it. This one's over.
Here are your winners, the Hollies.
Well, I think the Hollies did a heck of a job this weekend getting up on the rankings for the World Wrestling Federation Tag Team Championship.
We are all still, Tom, talking about the aftermath of the incredible night at